Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2012 to 2018 Ford Focus, the 95-5871B. To start the install, unclip and remove the passenger airbag light. And disconnect the connector from the back and remove the panel. Next, remove the two T25 Torx screws securing the bottom of the radio panel. Afterwards, unclip and remove the panel around the shifter console. Then, using the pry tool, unclip and remove the bottom panel of the radio. Afterward, remove the three T25 Torx screws from the shifter panel. Next, unclip and remove the shifter panel and slide it back. Release and remove the dash panel, making sure to disconnect and unplug all harnessing. Note: keep the factory vents to place in the new kit. Remove the two Torx screws from the radio. Then unplug and remove the radio chassis. Then remove the four screws securing the screen and the bracket. Slide and remove the screen and the bracket assembly out together, making sure to disconnect all plugs before removing. After assembling the new brackets to the aftermarket radio, make all connections by plugging in all radio harnesses before placing it into the dash and securing it with the four Torx screws. Next, plug the front panel into the hazard light connector, then snap the top panel into the dash, starting from the bottom. After, install the bottom panel. Then, secure both panels with the 5 Torx screws taken out in the disassembly. There is availability in this kit feature to have an option of a lock button. Metra offers a lock button or a blank depending on what your vehicle has. Here, we will snap in the blank. Reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to complete the installation. For any more information on this product or other brands, you could visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.